Good morning, everyone. Thank you for being here. Today, our group will represent with you guys about the topic Vinamilk resources planning and capacity management. There are the members of my group: Nhật Nguyễn, Quốc Việt, Huy Kim, An Vũ, and Minh Khang. Vinamilk is the largest dairy enterprise in Vietnam, operating the high complex nationwide network of the factories, farms, distribution, and retailers. Because of this massive scale, managing resources, production capacity, and scheduling become absolutely critical. In our presentation, we will summarize the key findings from our research and show how the Vinamilk applies important theoretical concepts from the operation management into the practical real-world applications that have the company remain efficient and competitive. About the overview, our presentation is structured into four major that the content flow logically. First, we give the brief introduction to Vinamilk to provide a context about its scales and operations. Second, we explain the resources planning framework, which consists of three interconnected planning levels: strategic capacity planning, tactical aggregate planning, and short-term scheduling. Third, we move into the case analysis, showing how the Vinamilk implements this framework in its daily operations. And finally, we end with the set of the clear recommendation aimed at helping the Vinamilk improve further in the future.
Hello everyone. Now I will represent about the information of Vinamilk. Vinamilk was founded in 1976, and after 5 decades, it has grown into Vietnam's dominant dairy company, holding over 55% of the national market share. Today, Vinamilk runs a large and advanced production system with 13 factories and 15 dairy farms. From a vertically integrated supply chain that covers everything from the raw meal production to the nationwide distribution. This system gives Vinamilk a strong control over the quality and consistency. However, dairy is highly perishable and the demand is spread across Vietnam. So the company must manage the production capacity carefully, schedule the operations effectively, and keep a robust price while meeting the consumer expectations. These challenges make the effective resource planning essential. Next, I will talk about the resource planning framework. As we studied in chapter 3, resources planning is usually divided into three levels. The first one is strategic capacity planning, dealing with the long-term decisions such as expanding the factories, investing on automation, and determining the overall desired capacity. The second level is tactical planning, which covers the planning over 6 to 18 months. And at this level, companies balance the workforce, materials, and production rate with the expected demand forecast. And the first level is the short-term scheduling, focusing on the day-to-day decisions, such as assigning the shifts, sequencing the production runs, and reacting to the change in real time. And in Vinamilk, all three levels are connected through the modern digital systems like MIS, HCMIU, and AI-driven forecasting tools. This integration ensures that planning is not isolated, but coordinated around the company.
For strategic capacity planning, Vinamilk focus on making sure it has enough long-term production capacity to support national demand and future growth. So right now, the company design capacity is about 2 million liters of milk per day. Its effective capacity after accounting for limitation like maintenance is around 1.8 million liters per day, and actual output Vinamilk produce roughly 1.6 million liters per day. And to keep improving, Vinamilk invests heavily in automation. A great example is Bình Dương Mega Factory, which use robotics and smart logistics. Thanks to this technology, the plant increased its output by 20% and reduced labor costs by 30%. And at the tactical level, Vinamilk use a hybrid aggregate planning strategy to balance stability and flexibility across different product lines. For example, the forecast for summer 2020 23 show a 15 increase in yogurt demand. So Vinamilk shift machinery and workers from condensed milk to yogurt and place early orders for packing materials. This allowed the company to avoid store shortage and respond quickly to market trends.
Now turning to my part is short-term scheduling. At the short-term operational level, Vinamilk rely heavily on MES and SCADA system to manage real-time production. Vinamilk use standard scheduling rules to maximize efficiency and maintain freshness. The firstly is earliest due date is used for rice meal products, which must reach store weekly. The secondly is short stage processing time, help speed up overall flow for UST meal line, which run continuously in large volumes. When an unexpected problem occurs, like machine breakdown, organ order, or material delays, the system automatically generate optimal solution for ship assignment and process sequence adjustments. A strong example happened during the 2024 test season, when condensed milk demand surged by 25%. Vinamilk weekly at a third shift temporarily rebalanced production by reducing yogurt output and still maintain an exceptional 98% on-time delivery rate. The next tool is matching capacity and demand. To keep production aligned with market demand, Vinamilk conducts a monthly sales and operation planning meeting. This process brings together sales, operation, and finance team to ensure alignment of forecast, capacity planning, and financial targets. AI-based forecasting to play a major role. This system analyze weather pattern, school calendar, replenishment across different regions.
Hello everyone, my name is Kim and today I will show you the performance outcome of Vinamilk. Thanks to its integrated planning systems, Vinamilk has achieved several impressive performance results. First, a 15% reduction in lead time. This has enabled faster product delivery nationwide. After that is a 20% reduction in logistics and inventory costs due to better planning and more accurate forecasting. Next is a 12% increase in capacity utilization driven by automation and efficient scheduling. Next is a reduction of 50,000 tons of CO2 emission per year through solar energy and eco-friendly initiatives. Lastly, a remarkable 97 to 98% of on-time delivery rate, demonstrating the reliability of Vinamilk's operation. Despite this, Vinamilk still faces challenges, mainly its dependence on imported raw materials and pressure from rising local competitors like TH2 Milk. Now we turn to the conclusion section. So to conclude, Vinamilk provides a strong example of how companies can successfully apply resource planning principles across strategic, tactical, and operational levels. By integrating ERP, MES, SCADA, and AI technologies, the company has achieved high efficiency and strong performance across its production and supply chain system. We offer four main recommendations for future improvement. First is expand predictive analytics using global commodity data to better anticipate raw material price changes. Number two is reduce dependence on imported milk by investing more in domestic dairy farming. Number three is using machine learning models to enhance scheduling accuracy and optimize labor and machine usage. Lastly is number four, and this is strengthen cross-department collaboration using S&OP cycles, especially when planning for major nationwide promotions. So that is it. That is our presentation for this. So thanks for listening. Goodbye.